Hello students. In the last video we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios of, first of all we have seen 45 degree, then we have seen trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. I told you have to write in a proper way by using that 30, 60, 90 figure. Okay. Today I am here with next point. Look here, heading. When you will observe heading, then you will come to know that trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Now look here. Here I have written trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. I have drawn here some figures. We will go in the sequence only. Trigonometric ratios of 0 and 90 degree. First of all I will show you. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Then you will go to the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Okay. It's very simple. Try to understand. Look here. As like yesterday we have seen trigonometric ratios of 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Today we will see first of all trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. We will see trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. This is 0 degree. We will see the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree means when angle will be 0, then what are the trigonometric ratios? Means sine, what will be the value of sine 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, cot, sec and cosec. Now I am going to explain. It's very simple. Like that proofs are not asked in the exam, but sometime it may happen. They may ask because this year syllabus is little reduced. For that purpose I am taking those all ratios and those all proofs in a proper way. I am giving these all proofs in a proper way. Listen and try to understand. I am going to start now. What is the title? Our trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. In that I am going to start the first point, trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Okay. Here I have drawn already figures for our better convenience, and there will be accuracy in the example and in the proof also. Look here. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, in that we have considered one triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. And here we are going to consider angle A for writing the ratios. Here we will consider angle A for writing the ratios. Ratios means sine, cos, tan. Do you understand? Okay. For writing those all trigonometric ratios, we will consider here, for writing those all trigonometric ratios, we will consider here angle A as the acute angle, and then look here. When angle A will be 0, I have shown by using those 5 figures. If you will see carefully, then you will come to know that. Look here. Here AC is there. Because of this AC, because of this elevation of AC, when this AC goes up, that time we got here angle A. When this AC will come down, in the figure A, you will come to know that this is original figure. Then after that, when that AC came down, then angle A is little decreases. In the figure C, you will see over here, again that AC came down, angle A is decreases. In the figure D, you will see over here, it came again down, AC came down, angle A is decreases. And in the figure E, you will come to know that, look here AC is not there. AC is not there means AC is there, but AC is hidden. AC is hidden where? Hidden. Look here. Now this AC is totally mixed up with the AB. Means here AC and AB both are equal. Means here AC and AB both are equal. And if you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that when that AC came down, that time size of BC also decreases. Look here. Length of BC also decreases. And finally you will see over here BC is not there. Means BC turns into the 0. Got idea what I am saying? BC turns into the 0. When that BC turns into the 0 and AC is equal to AB, that time angle A is 0. That time what happened? Angle A is 0. I have shown by using this I have shown by using dot line. For what purpose? Original position I have shown. And now here you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that here angle A is 0. Means in figure E, A is very close to 0 degree. Got idea? Means in this figure E, I will write what I am saying here. In figure E, angle A is, in this figure E, angle A is very close to 0 degree. Angle A is very close to 0 degree. BC gets very close to 0, and in this figure BC is always going to turn into the 0. Are you getting? Angle A is very close to 0 degree. BC will be also what happen? 0. BC will also turn into the 0. So the value of sine A, then what will be the value of sine A? Look here. Then the value of sine A, original ratio we will use for writing the value of sine A. BC upon means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. BC upon AC. BC upon AC. But now BC, value of BC is what? 0 divided by AC. 0 divided by anything means what? 0. Means we got here the value of sine A is equal to 0. It shows that we can say the value of sine A is very close to 0, means is equal to 0. It shows that sine A means what is the angle now? 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is equal to what is value? 0. When we consider sine 0 degree, then we are getting the value of sine is equal to 0. Got it? Yeah. Then we will see. Now look here. Then if you observe carefully, look here. Here AC is equal to AB हो गया इधर. Totally AC and AB equal हो चुके हैं. नीचे नीचे आते वक्त BC vanish हो गया, BC 0 हो गया and AC and AB is equal to 0. Then cos of A, we will write the cos ratio. What is cos ratio in this figure? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB divided by hypotenuse is what? AC. But in this figure E, what happened? These AC and AB both are equal. Means we can write AB divided by, instead of AC also we can write here AB. Instead of AC also we can write here AB, because AB and AC now equal here. AB will get cancelled, we will get value 1. Means cos of ये किसकी है? A यानी इधर A is very close to 0, means A 0 हो गया. Means cos of 0 degree is equal to what? 1. Got idea? Do you understand? Sin 0 degree we got 0, cos 0 degree we got 1. Then remaining we can find out easily. The next one, tan of 0 degree. Tan of 0 degree, we know one formula. Sin divided by cos, means sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. Okay, we will put value. Sin 0 degree 0 divided by cos 0 degree 1. Okay, 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number means what? 0. Means we got here tan of 0 degree is equal to what? 0. Understood? Okay. Now you know that very well. When we are finding the remaining values, we are reversing. First of all, you will find out the value of cot by using this tan. Cot of 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by tan. Tan of what? 0 degree. 1 divided by tan की value 0 degree की क्या है? 0 is equal to. Now look here. It is very, very important. Okay. Here students are getting, and here students are facing a much more problem. Look here. 0 divided by any number 0. But any number divided by 0, it is not possible. We can't divide any number by 0. Are you getting? That's why here we will not get answer. We have to write here answer what? Not defined. Try to understand what I am saying. 0 divided by any number 0. But any number divided by 0, it is not defined. Means cot of 0 degree we got not defined. Then next, look here. Which one? Sec. As you know that very well, remaining ratios sec and cosec. Sec of 0 degree. Sec is opposite of what? Cos. Means cos of 0 degree. Okay. Cos of 0 degree is what? 1. Means 1 divided by 1. That is equal to what? 1. Means sec of 0 degree is equal to what? 1. Next, cosec of 0 degree. Means 1 divided by sine of 0 degree. 1 divided by sine of 0 degree is what? 0. Here what we will get? See, any number divided by 0, it is not possible, means not defined. Understood? Look here. Which point today I have started? I have started today point trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Here I have started first point, that is 0 degree. I have used those 5 figures, and by using those 5 figures I got here value of sine 0 degree first of all. Then I got the value of cos 0 degree. You will come to know that over here. Look here, sine 0 degree, cos 0 degree. Tan, for tan purpose I use this formula, sin theta divided by cos theta. I have shown this formula, I have shown this proof also. In some important formula में मैंने show किया है. Tan we got cot not defined, sec 1 and cosec also not defined. Those are the values of sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec when the angle is 0 degree. Now we will go to the angle when the angle is 90 degree. Look here. I will use those figures. Trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. For that purpose, I have drawn here 4 figures. If you will see carefully, then you will come to know that. Look here, trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. A, B, C and D. 4 figures are there. Now look here. In the previous figure, when we have seen previous figure means 0 degree, that time what we have did, look here, we have considered angle A. Okay, we have considered angle A. Now look here, we will consider here, when we will write here also we will consider angle A. I will show you by using marking. Look here. Okay, we have considered in the previous for showing the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, we have considered angle A. Here also we will consider angle A. Now look here, how these figures are going to change. In previous figure AC came down. Here also what will happen, AC will go front. AC will go front means AC is going to convert into the 90 degree. AC is going to convert into the 90 degree. That AC has been converted into the 0 degree. AC has been converted means AC means segment AC not angle A. In previous figure, in previous proof, I have shown how angle A is converted into 0 degree. And now by using this AC, I will show you how this angle A will convert into the 90 degree. Are you getting what I am saying? Look here. In the first figure, look. ABC, angle A is there, original. Then this AC came front. Angle A is here. Okay. इधर देखो, इधर जो एंगल था इधर बढ़ गया. प्रीवियस फिगर में एंगल छोटा छोटा होता जा रहा था, इधर बड़ा बड़ा हो जा रहा है. देखो एंगल here acute angle is there, here little increases, here little increases, and finally if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that in the figure D, you will observe carefully over here. Here AC is mixed with AB. Oh, sorry, BC. This AC is mixed with BC. Got idea? Means here the value of AB decreases. वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी क्या होती गई है, इधर डिक्रीज होती गई है. और फाइनली एंगल ए क्या बन गया, 90 डिग्री बन गया. जो एंगल बी था उसका जितना एंगल बी का मेजरमेंट था उतना ही मेजरमेंट एंगल ए का भी बन गया. मीन्स हियर सी इज वेरी क्लोज टू 0. गॉट एरिया? मीन्स हियर व्हाट हैपन, एंगल सी इज वेरी क्लोज टू 0. हियर एंगल सी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द 0 and angle A is converted into the 90 degree. Here C is very close to 0, angle A is very close to 90 degree. Got idea? I am going to write what I am saying. Look here. Here angle C is very close to what? 0, and angle A is very close to what? 90 degree. Got idea? Side AC is nearly same as BC. Try to understand what I am saying. This side AC is nearly same as BC. Here BC and AC now equal हो गए. Okay, और AB क्या हो गई, vanish हो गई, 0 हो गई. Got idea? Means here we can say AC is equal to BC. Now we will write first ratio, which is sine of angle A. By using this, sine of angle A, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, means BC divided by AC. We will consider this figure. But in this figure, if you will see carefully, angle A is 90 degree and BC and AC both are equal. Means we can write here BC divided by BC. Got it what I said? In this last figure, BC and AC both are equal. Means BC divided by BC. We got here what? 1. Means sine of 90 degree is equal to what? 1. ये 90 degree किधर से आ गया? Because angle A is converted into the 90 degree. Got idea? Next, cos A. Cos A, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, means AB divided by AC. But here in this figure, when angle A is converted into the 90 degree, that time AB vanishes. Means AB converted into the 0. Got idea? AB converted into the 0. Means we can write here 0 divided by AC is equal to what we will get? 0. 0 divided by anything means what? 0. Means cos of 90 degree, when angle A is converted into the 90 degree, that time cos of 90 degree is equal to what we will get? 0. Understood? By using this sin and cos, now we can find out here tan of 90 degree. Okay, angle A is now converted into the 90 degree. We will use sin of 90 degree divided by cos of 90 degree. Sin of 90 degree is what? 1 divided by 0. Divided by 0. Look here. 1 divided by 0 means any number divided by 0. What is answer? Not defined. समझने की कोशिश करो. 0 divided by any number 0, but any number divided by 0 is what? Not defined. Next, cot of 90 degree. Cot of 90 degree 1 divided by tan of 90 degree. 1 divided by क्या होगा? देखो tan of 90 degree की वैल्यू क्या थी? Not defined means what? 1 divided by 0. We will cross multiply. 1 divided by 1 into 0 divided by 1 means what we will get? 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, that is equal to, look here, okay, 0 divided by any number means what? 0. Means cot of 90 degree is equal to what you will get? Cot of 90 degree is equal to 0. Next, sec of 90 degree 1 divided by cos of 90 degree. 1 divided by cos of 90 degree, what is? 0. Any number divided by 0 means what? Not defined. Understood? Okay. And remaining last ratio, which one? Cosec of 90 degree means 1 divided by sin of 90 degree. अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे ये सोच रहे होंगे ये 1 डिवाइड बाय आप क्यों लिख रहे हो? ये ऑलरेडी फॉर्मूलेज मैंने दिए हैं. ओके, ये रेसिप्रोकल है. साइन का उल्टा किया है तो कोसेक आता है, कोसेक का उल्टा किया तो साइन आता है. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय, ओके, साइन ऑफ 90 डिग्री व्हाट इज 1. 1 डिवाइड बाय 1 यानी कि 1. वी गॉट हियर कोसेक ऑफ 90 डिग्री आल्सो 1. दोज आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ व्हेन द एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री. लुक हियर, व्हेन द साइन 90 डिग्री, व्हेन द एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, फॉर साइन 1, फॉर cos 0, फॉर tan not defined, for cot 0, for sec not defined, for cosec 1. Okay, for this purpose I have prepared one table also. That table you try to understand. टेबल भी कैसे ध्यान में रखना है ये भी मैं बताऊंगा. ओके, ये सारी वैल्यूज एक टेबल में हम लिखते हैं. मैं भी नोट्स का पेज दिखा रहा हूँ. इधर देखो, देखो आज हमने कौन सा पॉइंट शुरू किया? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, सॉरी 0 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. इसमें पहला पॉइंट मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया आज, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ 0 डिग्री. जो भी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया तुम्हारे अभी सामने है, यही नोट्स में लिखना है. ओके, बाद में ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, ये है फिगर्स. और ये देखो आगे का एक्सप्लेनेशन. और ये सारी वैल्यूज यानी कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री मैंने एक टेबल में लिख के दिखाई है. ये टेबल तुम्हें ध्यान में रखना है. ओके, ये शॉर्टकट में टेबल कैसे ध्यान में रखना है, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट. बट बिफोर दैट यू लुक दिस टेबल एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, today up to this you copy down in your notebook how to remember this table, how to remind while exam is going on, at the time of exam, that I will explain. All other things are there regarding to this, and examples will continue in the next video. I hope so you got idea about this. I think there is no any doubt. First of all I have shown 0 degree, now I have shown 60 degree. इधर देखो 0 डिग्री कैसे वैल्यू देखना है. 0 डिग्री साइन 0 डिग्री 0, साइन 30 डिग्री 1/2, साइन 45 डिग्री 1/√2, साइन 60 डिग्री √3/2, साइन 90 डिग्री 1। ओके, ये है वैल्यूज़, गॉट आइडिया। ये एंगल के हिसाब से वैल्यूज़ है। 60 डिग्री की वैल्यूज़ मैंने निकाल के नहीं दी थी, मैंने बोला था कि 30 डिग्री का मैंने जैसे निकाला है वैसे ही तुम निकाल के नोटबुक में लिखो। इधर मैंने सारी वैल्यूज़ निकाल के रखी है। ओके, हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस पॉइंट, विच वन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ सम स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स। Tomorrow onwards, means next video onwards, we will see some examples and how to remember this table. Thank you.